Now I am going to discuss the concept of finding the area of a composite figure. A composite figure is a figure made up of more than one figures. The basic figures such as rectangle, triangle, circle, rhombus, the figures of which the basic figures for which we know the formula to find the area, and a composite figure is a figure made up of these figures. Suppose I have a figure like this, that now this A, B, C, D, E is a composite figure. It is made up of a rectangle A, B, D, E and a triangle A, D, C. So when we are supposed to find the area of figure, area of A, B, C, E, that means it is a composite figure. It is a figure made up of two figures, a rectangle and a triangle. We will find the area of a rectangle and we will find the area of a triangle. Then we will find the total area. Let the dimensions of this figure be 12, 14 and 8. That means the rectangle has the length 14 and breadth 12. That means the dimension of the rectangle A, B, D, E is 12 and 14, and the dimension of the triangle is 12 and 8. So we will find the area of A, B, D, E is equal to base, let it be ED, into height, let it be AE. So it will be 12 into 14 and it is equal to 12 into 2 into 14 is 28, 2 carried, 1. 2 into 14 is 28, 2 carried, then 1 into 14 is 14 and 1 15, that means 158 centimeters square. Now area of triangle BDC is half into base DC into height BD, that means half into 8 into 12, it will cancel out, so it will be 12 into 4, 48 centimeters square. So area of ABCE is equal to area of rectangle ABDE plus area of triangle ABDC. So it will be equal to 158 plus 48. That means 8 plus 8 is 16, 1 carry, 5 and 4 9 and 1 10 0, 1 carry, then it means 206 centimeters square. So this is how we can find the area of a composite figure. The figure I have taken is a composite figure because it is made up of a rectangle and a triangle. So whenever we have a such type of figure, we will find the area of each individual figure and then we will add the areas to find the total area of the composite figure. Now let us take another composite figure. Suppose I have a park with dimension 20 meters by 40 meters and then two circular areas of radius 7 meters are cut out of it. That means we have two circular areas of the dimension of radius 7 meters which are the grassy lands, and we are supposed to find the area of the portion that is not grassy or the areas where we have the flooring has been done. So we are supposed to find this area. We will again use the concept of composite figures. In this figure we will find the area of the rectangle ABCD. Then we will find the area of this circle with center O, then area of circle with center P, and from the total area of ABCD we will subtract the area of the two circles and then we will get the area of the flooring, that is, or we can say the floored area of the cemented area of the park. So area of ABCD is equal to base, because it is a rectangle, the area will be base into height, that means 40 into 20 and I will get 800 meters square. Now area of circle with center O is pi r square, that means 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 will cancel, it will cancel out, it will be 7 2s are 14, 4 1 carry, 7 2s are 14 and 1 15, 154 centimeters square. Similarly the area of circle with center as P is equal to 154 centimeter square, because both these circles are of the same radius 7. So the total area of the flooring will be equal to the area of rectangle ABCD minus area of circle with center O plus area of circle with center P. That means we will subtract the area of the two circles from the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is 800 minus 154 minus 154. So it will be 800 minus 4 and 4 8, 5 and 2 10, 0, 1 carry 308, and we will subtract. I'll get 2,974 centimeter square. So this is how we can find the area of a composite figure. That means a figure which is made up of more than one figure and more than one basic figures. That means circle, rectangle, triangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium are the basic figures. And if a figure is formed with using more than one figures, then we can find the total area using the basic way of finding the area of individual figure and then adding those areas or subtracting those areas as the situation may be. As in the previous question, I have added the area of rectangle and triangle, but in this figure I have subtracted the area of the two circles from the area of the rectangle, because here the two circles were the green areas and the remaining was the cemented area, and we were supposed to find the area of the flooring. So it was equal to the area of this rectangle minus the area of two circles. So I have subtracted the area of two circles from the area of rectangle, and I got the answer as 492 centimeter square. So this is how we can solve the various questions using the concept of composite figures.